Hello, and today we are so hungry we're gonna make a
lobster!
Oh, I'm really hungry.
Yeah, I'm really hungry too.
So you know what?
Yeah.
We should cook up this lobster that Mom and Dad bought. Maybe we should make
it with garlic butter.
Or I know, maybe we can put some of it on. No, I think just some legs and arms
and claws,
on the on garlic butter. Is that good?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yes.
Hey, so I'm gonna go grab the cutting board.
Yeah,
What
I'm
color?
so excited.
What color?
I want blue.
Red because of the lobster.
Red.
Red like the lobster
Yeah.
we're gonna be cooking. Oh, I'm gonna go grab the pan.
So excited.
Jenna, move.
I'm so damn excited. I'm never gonna stop eating this.
Yeah, it's gonna taste amazing. All right, I think this pan will work because we're only using a little bit of lobster. Okay, I have the pan ready, and I'm gonna turn it on. Okay,
And we need the knife to cut it too.
so yeah, here we go, the lobster. Okay, I'm gonna use a big one. All right, first we'll start with the tail. Wow, lobster shells are hard. Here we go.
I can throw that in the pan.
Yep, go take it to the pan and I'll start chopping the legs. Or, you know what? The legs are so small, I might as well just pluck them. Wait, Z. Oh.
Ooh. Its back fell off.
Oh, the claw broke. Well, anyway, we're gonna eat the claw, so.
I'm gonna throw that too in the pan.
It's a bit smashed up, the claw, but it'll work. Now I'm gonna cut this claw. Oh. Well, it's hard to get rid of the. There we go. We'll take these to the pan.
And let's eat them.
Let's put them in the pan. Now, I'm gonna go grab some olive oil.
And everybody's gonna have so much fun eating lobster. Because it's just so good, lobster. Well, right now. But look at this lobster. Look at this.
All right, so
Yeah.
here's our olive oil. Now, let's go with a little bit of. All right.
It didn't go in.
Yeah, it did.
No, it didn't.
All right, so we use avocado oil because it's way healthier. Now I'm gonna start up the pan. Boop.
Flip it up.
While we're doing that, let's prepare the garlic butter.
Yeah.
Okay, Z, go grab a little bowl. And some of.
Is this good?
Yeah. All right, so go and get some yellow butter and some of the garlic powder. Okay, so it's all ready. I'm gonna see what else can I get from here. Oh, maybe I can get a bit more of the tail off. No, I can't get anything. The rest of this is garbage. Gonna put it's in the trash. All right, I'm gonna go help my brother find the garlic and the butter. Casey. Sorry, it took us a while, but now I'm gonna go get the garlic. Now we gotta just get all the stuff. Okay, so here's our garlic and our butter as Xander is being a professional chef frying up our. Look at how good that looks. All right, so here's how we're gonna make the garlic butter. I'm gonna slap it in the microwave. Now I'm gonna put it in for 10 seconds.
No, for 10 seconds.
Okay, so I'm gonna go and check on the garlic butter. Xander, you keep them entertained.
The garlic butter's done.
Okay. Here we go. So our garlic butter, looks delicious. Hey Z, I think our things are ready. I'll grab a plate.
We need 2 plates for each of us.
Nah, just 1 plate and we'll put everything.
Okay.
Okay, pass me the hot. No, Xander, don't burn yourself. Pass me it. Whoa. All right, here's our lobster, fresh and ready. Okay, so here we go. Garlic butter, are you ready to give it a taste? So, ready to try. Here, I'll get us just some legs to start with. Oh, okay. So dip it in the garlic butter. Okay. That's good. All there's left is the shell now.
Oh, I want to try the big pieces.
Yeah. All right. We'll try some of the claw.
That
was
so
delicious. All right. Let's try the tail. Oh, that was delicious. All right, now
I need to try the tail too.
that's it for our episode. We'll be back with another one. We're not sure which one yet, but we'll be back. Here's my brother.